Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring current core web vitals using Lighthouse or page speed insights to get baseline scores and traces. Once you have data, identify high-impact pages and set a clear performance budget, for example, 5's LCP, 100 MSTBT, CLS under 0. 1. Now begin immediate wins, defer non-critical JS, enable text compression, and serve images in modern formats. These steps reduce blocking time and rendering delays, while giving you metrics to verify progress. Next, focus on execution. Extract and inline critical CSS to speed first paint, then defer or split remaining styles so render blocking goes away. Once done, implement lazy loading for off-screen images and third-party iframes to cut network load and improve interactivity. Also use resource hints, pre-connect to origins, preload key fonts and hero scripts to reduce latency. Make sure to audit third-party scripts and move non-essential tags to after interaction to protect your FID and reduce. Finally, verify improvements with real user monitoring and continuous lab tests. Compare field CR/UX metrics to lab Lighthouse runs. Deploy a CDN, enable HTTP/2 or HTTP/3, and add long-term caching with cache control and immutable directives for static assets. Before shipping large changes, run a /b checks. If performance regresses, roll back quickly, compare trace waterfalls to spot the offending asset, and isolate third-party scripts or large layout shifts. The key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.